Hey, so we're going to look in this video at using 909 sounds via Maschine. So I've got Maschine loaded up here, and of course if you don't have the D16 drummers on and you want that 909 sound, it's achievable with other drum machines or drum synths. Such a classic sound, and I know that in Maschine I have some user kits that are, I think, 909 sampled. So I'll go over to my user here and types. I could go to product or even type, sorry, and there we go. Beat Machines 909, and this is I think by Niche Audio, who do some really nice machine packs. And the first one is Classic 1, and I load this up. It's a classic 909 kit, and it's got some patterns there already loaded up. Just go to an empty pattern, step sequence, select the kick for starters, fixed velocity. You know, I can very quickly get a really good, realistic sounding 909 kit together. Get some swing in there at this early stage. Closed hat. Open hat. Let's double the pattern up. Some rim shots. Let's go into a more of a techno tempo, maybe 127, and load some mid-toms here. And you just know all these sounds are going to work so well together. Okay, one of those toms is crash on the first beat, and maybe some rides. And you've got a nice 909 beat already, and this Beat Machines 909, that's classic 1, but they've got different types, I think, where they process the 909 samples in a different way, so a bit more squashed and compressed. Really nice snare in there. So if you don't have one of the Niche Audio packs, I know that I was searching around my I've got Complete 9, and I couldn't find any 909 kits by any of the kind of Native Instruments stuff, but there are 808 kits. So this 888 kit is an 808 kit, so it's a bit more hip hop and electro. But
this record is dedicated to all the lovers of the 808.
Crazy samples, so you can get some nice 808 samples in there. I couldn't find any classic 909 kits. I'm sure they're in there, or even in battery or something. And one thing I wanted to look at actually was if we go back to one of those user kits that we were looking at before, load this up, was the techno cymbals. So I'm just going to use a kick here. So I'm going to go to this empty pattern, and with that kick, just put it forward to the floor and load up in our second slot here. Let's change this from the snare sample and use one of the Maschine drum kits or Maschine drum synths. So go internal, subtype, instrument, and over here we go cymbal. So it'd be nice to try and get some of those classic techno cymbals in there. So let's just step sequence some of these. We need to tweak this cymbal a bit. You don't mind taking that attack off. Turn the impact down. Decay, push this right up. Tune it up a bit. And change the engine. And go back to crash. And so, like, as it is at the moment, it's way too much. But what we can do is choke these cymbals. Just rename this. Choke these to the kick drum for that classic sort of feel. So with the cymbal selected, I'm going to select the choke group to 1 and set it as the slave, and then select the kick, choke group 1 and the master. So you get that nice choke cymbal sound. You could go ahead and tweak the cymbals a bit more. When you mute the kick, get that nice interplay with the kick and the cymbal. Okay, so a bit of a look at some 909 rhythms with Maschine there. In the next video, we're going to look at programming some percussion hits using Maschine and the scale snap. So I'll see you in that video. Cheers.